Are you struggling with escaping values in Sequelize while using Node.js and Express? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you understand how to escape values correctly. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your code isn't working as expected, especially when you're trying to protect your application from SQL injection attacks. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user, Vanessa, asked how to escape values in the where clause of Sequelize. She shared that her current approach isn't yielding any results, and she's worried about SQL injection vulnerabilities. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going wrong here? It seems like Vanessa is trying to use MySQL's escape functions directly in Sequelize, which isn't the right approach. Sequelize has built-in mechanisms to handle escaping for you, ensuring your queries are safe from SQL injection. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to escape values in Sequelize, but also understand how to keep your application secure from SQL injection attacks. To escape values in Sequelize, the user should utilize the built-in Sequelize methods for safely handling input. First, they can use the Sequelize method called literal to safely include raw SQL expressions. Next, the user should modify their query to use the op.or operator for combining conditions. This allows for a more readable and safe way to handle multiple conditions in the where clause. Additionally, the user should ensure that they are not manually escaping identifiers or values. Sequelize automatically handles escaping to prevent SQL injection attacks, so manual escaping is unnecessary. Finally, the user can test their updated query to ensure it returns the expected results. They should check the database to confirm that the query executes correctly without any errors. Fun fact: did you know that SQL injection attacks are one of the oldest and most common web vulnerabilities? That's why it's crucial to use proper escaping techniques. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, there's actually no need to escape values in this case because Sequelize handles it for you automatically. And here's a bonus tip: always validate and sanitize user inputs before using them in your queries. This extra step can save you from potential security threats. And there you have it. You now know how to escape values in Sequelize and keep your application secure. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to share your experiences in the comments below.